We want to update you now on the latest coronavirus numbers in our state. There are now more than 25,400 known cases of coronavirus in Arizona. We have also learned at least 1,042 people in Arizona have died from COVID-19. There were 30 new deaths and more than 1,100 new cases reported today. And new numbers from Friday paint a really troubling picture for local hospitals. There is a record high number of hospitalizations, ventilator use, and ICU beds from coronavirus patients in a single day.
Our David Caltabiano tonight shows us the toll the virus is still taking on our healthcare systems.
Tonight, coronavirus cases are climbing in Arizona, and so is the rate of hospitalizations, ICU bed, and ventilator usage. Friday showed a record high for all metrics.
I think now, you're seeing the effects of Memorial Day weekend.
Dr. Stephanie Jackson with Honor Health estimates they have anywhere from 80 to 100 coronavirus patients across their 5 hospitals. She says hospitalizations are up, in part because of how long it takes for people to recover from the virus.
The average length of stay is if patients go to the ICU, is running in the 15-day range. So it does take a while for new patients coming in to get out of the hospital. So there's a bit of what we call a stacking effect.
Meanwhile, at the state's largest hospital system, Banner Health is caring for roughly half of all COVID-19 hospitalizations in the state. Right now, they're nearing capacity for ICU beds, and they'll have to implement a surge plan if the trend continues in the ICU. On top of that, doctors are seeing a steep incline in ventilator use. All 9 of Banner Health's ECMO machines are being used for critically ill COVID-19 patients. Now the hospital took themselves off Arizona's surge line for people who need those machines.
Talking about the statewide trends.
On Thursday, Arizona Department of Health Services Dr. Kara Christ addressed the higher COVID-19 numbers.
As we're seeing increases of COVID-19 patients in our hospital metrics that are on our dashboard, we are also seeing increases in non-COVID-19 related admissions, and we're seeing pretty significant admissions. And again, this was something that we expected as we opened back up and as we allowed for elective surgeries.
The Department of Health Services reports 78% of hospitalizations are non-COVID-19 related, and 22% are coronavirus related. In Phoenix, David Caltabiano for Arizona's Family.